covering every county. This is your statewide newscast, Arkansas Today.
Welcome back to the show. All week long, we've had the treat of Natalie and Lauren of Baptist Health. They've been here sharing some recipes that are low in calories that you can make for the Super Bowl so you don't feel as bad while you're watching the game. And today, we are talking about making bagel pizza, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We used a whole grain bagel, and it's a thinner crust so you don't have as many carbs. And then you can customize it to whatever your guests want. So you're not ordering a whole pizza. They can make them with whatever toppings you want.
Yeah, it's kind of fun. You can almost have like a pizza making party before the game or something, you know? Why not?
Place your orders before the party.
There you go.
And especially if you have kids around too. That gives them something to do other than the commercials and things
Love
like that.
See, take notes, guys. That's, yeah, good stuff. And then what do we have going on here?
And then we have some stuffed mushrooms. They were stuffed with sausage, but you want to drain that and reduce that fat. And then you get a serving of vegetables too.
Okay, and then what about some other, this is a great side, but what about some of these other side dishes that we see, you know, when people bring in like chips or those veggie trays even with ranch dressing or something? What are some of your favorite sides?
Well, mine's not one of the best. I like the buffalo chicken dip.
That's
you
the best,
definitely can make that. You can get a lower fat blue cheese, you can get the low fat dressings, and then also just focus on that portion control. Not going back, getting the small side plates instead of the big plates so that you have to get up and go back and get more instead of just loading it on and making it higher and higher and eating more. And plus you have to get up to get those extra steps in too.
See, there you go.
Don't sit
so
next
you're
to
kind
the
of
tray.
exercising.
Right. And so most of our items that we're going to be bringing to you do have the vegetables in it to give you the added fiber to make you feel fuller, and then are going to have mushrooms are a vegetable that tend to have a little bit higher protein in it as well that'll keep you fuller longer. And then again on the cheeses you can go with the low fat cheese to even cut some calories there.
Okay, that's a good point. And then what about you? What's your favorite side maybe that you would maybe take a healthier version to? I know I'm putting you on the
I
spot.
like my fries that I did yesterday. That is one of my favorite, the sweet potato fries.
Yes, those are always classic. All right, well, yeah, again, just a reminder, make sure, you know, to get the lower kind of carb options out there.
And your whole grains.
Whole grains, good stuff. And then really it's all about kind of making you fuller with less so you don't keep going back and getting all the different options.
That's right.
And then let's see, let's tease this a little bit maybe. What are you going to bring on tomorrow? Something sweet, something savory?
Savory tomorrow.
Savory,
Yeah. We're saving the sweets for Friday.
Okay, all right. So yeah, definitely a good tease for Friday too. I'm excited to see what you guys talk about. Because again, like we were saying with, you know, Slim Chickens being on earlier, I mean, obviously that's a great option as well, but it's all about portion control.
Right,
Yes.
definitely.
Okay, well, hey, Natalie, Lauren, thank you so much for coming
Thank
on.
you.
And we look forward to tomorrow.
Yes, we do too.